Hi, my name is Brittany Flandrick. I'm from New Richmond, Wisconsin. I am an elementary education major with a minor in early childhood. Right now, I have my early childhood degree and my 2-year associate's degree, and I'm working to get my bachelor's. Right now, it's estimated that I have about a year and a half left. So I'm very excited with that. A little bit about me is I live with my boyfriend and his beautiful daughter, and then I currently work as a 3K teacher. It's my second year, and I absolutely love it. It's very fun. I have been teaching since I was 17, and I'm currently 25. So if you want to do the math on that, you're welcome to. I am excited to continue to learn. Music has been something I keep a part of my curriculum and something I do daily with the kids. Last semester, I took a music class and I got to learn the ukulele, or I had to learn the ukulele, it was required. And the kids really enjoyed that. I got to play it with them, and then we took that and used it also as a way to introduce other instruments. So, music in general is just something I really enjoy, and not just in my classroom, but out of the classroom as well. I listen to all sorts of music. I like all different varieties of genres of music. So, um, what I hope to get out of this class is I hope to learn more about where certain types of music come from or have come from, and I hope to just continue to um, educate myself about music and its culture. Thank you.